Our interactive visualization allows users to explore trends in public library checkouts from the Seattle Public Library. If you're a book lover, you may be interested in finding out how popular your favorite book was in a given year. If you're a librarian, you may be interested in looking at checkout trends over the years. Our visualization helps users explore questions like these through customizable filtering options and different visual representations of the data. Our dataset was provided by the Seattle Public Library and includes checkout items from the year 2005 to present day. Initially, the dataset had 18 million entries, but we filtered down these entries by only displaying the most popular checkout items in our visualization. On our initial landing page, you will see an overview of the most popular checkout titles between 2005 and 2018, with the frequency of checkouts per month plotted on the y-axis and checkout year plotted on the x-axis. Colors of the scatter plot can be filtered based on publication year, checkout month, usage class, and material type. If material type is selected as the color filter, one can see an interesting trend in the most popular checkout items along the years. In years leading up to 2016, the most frequently checked out items are predominantly videos, but from 2017 onward, we see a rise in the frequency of books being checked out. When hovering over a checkout item, more detailed information is displayed on the left-hand side of the scatter plot, along with detailed information on clicked items. For instance, if we look at 2018, we see the most frequently checked out items are laptops, which could be of interest to a librarian wondering what items are the most popular. One might also wonder if current events influence book checkout rates. By hovering over the top 3 most frequently checked out books in 2018, we see an interesting pattern. The most checked out book in 2018 was Fear, Trump in the White House, checked out 847 times in October 2018. Next comes Fire and Fury, Inside the Trump White House. The next most commonly checked out item is actually the same book, Fire and Fury, Inside the Trump White House. Because we filtered our dataset by month and year, if a book became more popular for multiple months in that year, it will show up multiple times on the scatter plot. The third most checked out book is A Higher Loyalty, Truth, Flies, and Leadership by James Comey. In the top right corner, you will see a search bar where you can search by author, publisher, or title. If one is interested in a specific book, like The Girl on the Train, then they can search for the title and find it highlighted on the scatter plot. Then, when selecting the title, they can see more detailed information on the item displayed on the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. We have also included filters for the X and Y axis, including filters based on the checkout year, checkout month, publication year, usage class, material type, and checkouts. If we select the publication year to be displayed on the x-axis and checkout year to be displayed on the y-axis, we see the novel was popular following its publication in 2016. This rise in popularity may correspond with the movie depiction being released in 2016. Below our scatterplot visualization, we also have a heat map, which shows how long an item was popular for, as well as displaying the exact checkout number when you hover over a square. Looking back at the scatterplot, one may also wonder what makes a book more likely to become popular. The overall trend, as shown in the scatterplot, is that a book will be checked out more frequently in the year it was released, but we can see some exceptions. If we mouse over this cluster here, we can see Anthony Bourdain's novel, Kitchen Confidential, rose to popularity in 2018, even though it was published in 2007. His death was likely a contributing factor to this rise. We've also included a bar chart where you can see a list of all the books and films a creator or publisher has released and their popularity. If you are interested in the popularity of, say, Marvel movies, you can search for them using the search bar, and then reference the bar chart to see which Marvel movies were the most popular.